Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. We'll be learning how to place your characters on Episode Interactive. So, if you want to learn how to do that, keep on watching today's YouTube video.
Slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing your strawberry.
Hello everybody, so now I just pulled up my script and right over here I have a background which you can find in our catalog. The first format is saying what part of the screen you want your character to be in. For example, your character name is at screen. You can either say left or you can say right. Now another format you can do to place your character is saying at character name stands screen center. So those are two different ways you can format where you want a character to be. Alexis is at screen right, maybe Thomas is at screen left. So now you can have multiple characters. So what if there's a specific position on your screen you want your character to be that's not a specific place or part of the screen? Well, I'm going to teach you how to do that. Okay guys, so all I did was place Alexis at screen right, but she's facing the wrong way. So I'm going to do and character name faces left or right. So now that she's facing the right way and she's at the right part of the screen, you can see this part after your preview. The problem is this is not the specific position I like. I want her to actually be somewhere else. So I'm going to click Show Helpers, click Spot Directing, and use these tools and use this button. Once you click it, you can either move it around or you can scale it, meaning you can make it smaller or you can make it bigger. So now I'm going to use this tool right here to do it. Clicking and moving, clicking and scaling. I'm just going to scroll down and a bunch of code should be right here. The computer has actually done this for us. We're just going to simply copy it and we're going to paste it. So instead of all of this, perfect, we're just going to paste that right in our script. Let me know down in the comments if you want a specific video on layering, as that's a whole another different topic that we can cover. So now I'm going to scroll back up and click Save and Preview so we can see if it works. Okay everybody, so that's how I specifically put her in a specific position, and you don't have to do that. You can do at screen right, you can do screen center, whatever you like. So now that that's out of the way, if you still need help with episode coding, don't worry. The next step after placing your characters is making them learn how to speak and use dialogue and have emotions. That video is right there, so you can click it and check that out. And while you're over there, make sure to subscribe right there. And turn on my notification bell so you don't miss another upload or another tutorial to help your episode coding experience. For a chance for your episode story or WATTPAD story to be given a shout out, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment the word done. We'll be checking, so make sure you follow all the rules. Bye guys, I love you guys so much and make sure to stay beautiful.